Hey guys, this is Donna Coker from Donna Coker's Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I'm coming to you from my husband's bar slash garage slash pool hall slash simulated golf. And I wanted to come to you from here today because after we finish making soaps, we're going to have a little drinky poo. So not before, but after. Anyway, this is not a tutorial. You can go to Soaping 101 or Soap Queen for wonderful tutorials. And today we're going to be making Sinfully hot chocolate. So that'll be fun, and it smells really great. I love soap making. I've been doing it for a little while, and it's just absolutely wonderful. It's very soothing and pleasant, and I hope that you'll enjoy my videos, and if you do, please subscribe and hit the little bell button, and that'll give you a notification when I upload new videos. This is my very first video, so I'm excited about that. So without further ado, alrighty, let's go make some soap. Hey guys, we are back and we are about to make Sinfully hot chocolate. Now I have my oils ready. My lye is a good temperature, so we're going to go ahead and pour that. Just being careful not to splash any lye on yourself because that would burn. Okay, let me grab my gloves and we'll start mixing. So earlier today I made Java Mocha Dream, and the fragrance oil was wonderful. It didn't accelerate at all. And the fragrance oil I'm using for Sinfully hot chocolate is from the same company, and I am hoping to get that same result. So we shall see. And if it does, it just does. But hopefully that's not the case. But anyway, here we go. This is actually a new oil, and it looks like it's going to trace really, really fast, so I'm going to mix just a little bit more. I'm going to pause you for just 1 second. Sorry guys, my doorbell rang. So we are at a very, very light trace now, and I think that's going to be good. I'm going to go just a little bit more. And hopefully this fragrance oil will be as forgiving as the one I used earlier. So we shall see about that. So I'm going to put this over here. Go ahead and fry this up. Let's see. I used that one earlier and I haven't cleaned it out yet. So. Okay, I'm going to save a little bit of it out for the piping on the top. I decided to do that on this one. And what we're going to do to begin with is go ahead and add some coloring. We're going to have some unsweetened cocoa, and we are going to have little coloring here. I'm not going to add coloring to the last one because the fragrance oil has vanilla in it, so it is going to naturally color it. So we're going to go that route with that. So get this mixed in just a little bit, and let's go ahead and hit that stick blender. Get it good and mixed up. You know what, guys? I forgot to put my glasses back on when I came back from the door. So let's do that. Alright, that looks good. I'm hoping I don't have to use the stick blender on this one, but I bet I do. Go ahead and add a little bit more. Well, I guess I will. So we are just going to get our mold. We are doing my tall and skinny mini. So we're just going to start pouring our base. And then we're going to add in, alternating, the lines. Okay, now that we've got that in, we're going to go ahead and pat it down and add some fragrance oil. I didn't want to do that before because I'm really not sure how it's going to react, and I don't want a bad reaction. So I wanted to get a little bit of it poured to begin with. And I'm not going to put any in the topping. Get every little bit of that. All right, let's go ahead and mix this in. Yeah, it's rising a little bit. I figure it might, unless I'm going to go ahead and pour the bottom. I noticed the rising is more in the container that I added, this container that I added the mica in, so we'll see how that works out. But anyway. spatula and get every bit we can out so we don't have a huge mess to clean up later. This little mold that I use for the tall skinny minis is kind of hard to navigate, but nevertheless, it's what we're using. So we're going to go with it. All right, let's go back to the chocolate. Oh, it smells so good. I'm actually going to be doing lotions too, but right now I'm concentrating on getting inventory up for soap because you know it takes soap 4 to 6 weeks to cure. So when somebody orders something, you want it to be available for them. So that's what we're doing with that. All right. And I want to save just a tiny bit of this to drizzle on the top. Just a very, very slight amount, which I think I can just scrape out once it's, yeah, that's good. All right, so we're going to pat it down a little bit, get any air bubbles out. And I'm just going to take a paper straw. You can use a chopstick or whatever you want. And I'm just going to go down and make some swirls in it, just to change the design a little bit on the inside of it. Not much, because I don't want it to mix together completely. So just a little bit. That should be good. Okay. I'm going to let this set up for a minute so it can support the piping. And as soon as the piping is ready to go in a bag, I'll come back with you.